Good morning friend. Today we are going to see the marketing plan of DXN. Distributionship is free in India. Basic requirement for distributionship: one PP size photograph and one PAN card photocopy, Aadhaar card photocopy, either one address proof photocopy. So step from growth, like we are joining in DXN marketing as a member. So next level is star agent, then star ruby, star diamond. Final goal is ambassador. Member to star agent journey at an average per day of any things is near about 3 rupees. So from that 3 rupees we will get 1 PV, point value. So accumulate point system. In 1000 PV we will get 6%, 3000 PV we will get 9%, and 10,000 PV we will get 12%, 20,000 PV will be get 15% bonus, and 32,500 PV will be get 18% bonus, and 45,000 PV will be get 21% bonus. Once we cross the 45,000 PV, we become a star agent. So 25% is bonus for the qualified star agent. So if we are doing personal, that means 3000 PV, or we are doing 1000 PV, and our downline, that non-star group, is doing 2000 PV, is equal to 3000 PV. So journey from star agent to star ruby. So star agent is first post in DXN marketing, or and then star ruby. So for qualified star ruby, if we below me, that means our downline become first generation become 1 star agent, qualified star agent, we get the bonus 27%. Then second star agent will get the bonus 29%, and after a third qualified star agent will be get 31% as bonus. So journey of star ruby to star diamond. Qualified star diamond become a partner of company. So he will be get lot of income and lot of bonus from the company. So in this, when we get fourth star agent below us, that in my first generation become a fourth qualified star agent, we will be get 33%, and in fifth we will be get 35%, and after that we will be get in sixth qualified star agent. So the star diamond become a partner of the company. So a diamond gets 9 types of benefits. That means 9 types of way of income in DXN marketing. So first is retail profit. Retail profit is nothing but the difference between distributor price and MRP, the marketing price. Like any product of cost is MRP is 120 and its DP is distributor price is 100. So between this 100 and 120, the 20 rupees is difference. That is called retail profit. Personal PV profit. In personal PV we become a diamond. In that we are getting the percentage like 6 to 37% in that. Difference change, that means difference in me and our downline in first generation or second generation, third generation, like that. So from the difference, percentage difference, like if I am in 12% and my downline is in 10%, so that is 2% percentage difference we also achieved from them. Fourth type of benefit, that is mobile incentive. So in mobile incentive, if in my downline 3 qualified star agent with 60,000, I become the mobile incentive. So fifth types of benefit or income is Malaysia trip incentives. So in that, if in my downline there is 5 mobile incentives, direct mobile incentive winner, I can become a Malaysia trip incentives benefit. Development bonus. Development bonus is decided from our generation to generation. Like if I am a qualified star agent, I will get the bonus from my first generation 5%, second generation 4%, and third generation 3%, and fourth generation 2%, and fifth generation 1%. Development bonus helps get income even from single lineup, like single leg. So leadership bonus, the development diamond leadership in our group, 5% from first generation diamond we will get 5%, and below till to our last generation we will get 0 to 10% from them. So it's a journey from star diamond to crown ambassador. So star diamond 8 types. International profit sharing, whatever the profit of company all over the world, they will give 2% from their profit to our Star Diamond. And Trevor seminar point, that is 2%. Some motivating factor to joining DXN. Why you have to joining the DXN and what the benefit will be get from the DXN? So better quality of life, financial independence, quality spare time, and personality development, and health value based relationship, system driven success through. So thank you for watching my video and getting a knowledge about the DXN. I would like to invite you in DXN business opportunity, these types of opportunity. We would like to be our business partner to achieve your dreams. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this video, like this video as you like.